Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by pairing and updating your Airpods. This matters because firmware enables Live Translate. Next, open Settings and enable Live Translate so the phone routes audio. Do this now. Choose the source and target languages and pick a microphone mode if you're in a noisy space. This improves accuracy. Once done, place Airpods in your ears and tap the device's Live Translate control to start streaming. You're now ready to capture real-time speech for translation. You open Translate or use the Control Center shortcut to begin a session. This routes audio to your Airpods for processing. Tap the microphone and speak clearly. Short phrases translate more reliably, and make sure one person speaks per language to avoid crosstalk. Once the other person responds, the app captures and plays back translated audio through your Airpods. Adjust the volume if speech sounds soft. If you need continuous exchange, enable conversation mode so turns alternate automatically and latency stays low. You finish by ending the translate session or removing your Airpods. This stops audio sharing and saves battery. If translations lag or drop out, toggle Bluetooth, disable low power mode, and repair the Airpods. These quick steps often clear connection glitches. Make sure app language packs are downloaded for offline use if you expect limited internet. This reduces latency. One key troubleshooting tip: if translations misinterpret accents, move closer to the mic and speak slightly slower so speech recognition can catch phonemes accurately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.